This is a quick video to show you how to add an icon to your taskbar so you can have quick access to an on-screen keyboard in your Windows 10 device. An example of a Windows 10 device here in the district is your teacher computer, your student computers, or your new line interactive displays that are mounted in your classroom. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for an open area in your taskbar, and if you're using a touchscreen, you can press and hold with your finger. When you let go, a menu comes up. Or similarly, if you are using a mouse, you can right-click in that same area and the same menu comes up. Then what you do is you choose Show Touch Keyboard Button, and it adds an icon here to your taskbar. When you click on that icon, an on-screen keyboard comes up and it's fully functional, just as if you were using a hardwired keyboard.